My name's Nick Roner, and I'm the Human Resources Business Partner on second and third shift.
Nick Tobin, I am one of the chaplains here at Vermeer, and so I cover second and third shift.
Matthew Anderson, and I'm an EHS advisor for second shift along the mile.
The leadership on second and thirds, it's driven, but it also has a light-hearted atmosphere as well. That caring culture that we talk about, it's a real thing. It's not just lip service.
The primary reason they have the chaplains is that Vermeer cares about the people that work here. You know, I have nothing to do with production or parts that get produced and the numbers they hit and all that. I'm just there for you and for what you're going through. Our primary goal is to build relationships with people so that when something is going on in their life, they have someone to talk to.
We want to have a fun environment, a safe environment, but we also want to get stuff done too.
EHS advisor or environmental health and safety advisor. We offer guidance when it comes to safety matters, workstation audits. We do have a nurse on second shift, and it is very nice to have somebody with more in-depth medical training. You don't really run a business very well unless you're taking care of your employees.
Second and third shift presents a really unique opportunity, whether it's to have a little bit different schedule, to start to understand the culture of Vermeer, to fill out an internal resume to climb to that next position.
You know, I really like the second and third shift. I get time to spend with my kids and my wife during the day, take them to school. I have little ones at home, spend some time with them.
You know, it's not just a job. This place takes people to run well, and when we take care of our people, we take care of the business.